Is the summer heat slowly killing your plants, even you are watering them every day? If your leaves are turning yellow, crispy, or just dropping off, you are not alone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things plants, nature, and peaceful living. Today I am going to share 20 powerful summer hacks that will help your plants not just survive but actually thrive in extreme heat. Make sure you watch till the end because some of these tips are simple but most people completely ignore them. Before we jump into the hacks, let's quickly understand what heat does to plants. When temperatures rise, water evaporates faster, roots get overheated, leaves lose moisture quickly, and this leads to yellow leaves, burn marks. But don't worry, with the right care, you can protect them. The first and most important thing is watering. But it is not just about how much you water, it's about when you water. If you water your plants in the middle of the day, most of that water evaporates before it even reaches the roots. So instead, always water early in the morning or in the evening after the sun goes down. At that time, the soil is cooler and your plants can actually absorb the water properly. This one simple habit can make a huge difference in summer. Hack 2: Deep watering. Giving a little bit of water every day might seem helpful, but it actually creates weak plants because the roots stay near the surface where it gets hot and dry very quickly. Instead, when you water deeply, the water goes down into the soil and the roots grow deeper to reach it. And deeper roots means a strong, more heat resistant plant. Mulching is like giving your soil a protective blanket. You can use dry leaves, straw, coconut husk, or even bark. Just spread it on top of the soil. What it does is it locks in moisture, keeps the soil cool, and protects the roots from direct heat. So your plants stay hydrated for a long time without needing constant watering. The next hack is provide shade. Not every plant can handle direct sunlight, especially during peak summer. If you notice your leaves burning or turning crispy, that's a clear sign of too much sun. You can create shade using a cloth shade net or even something temporary like cardboard. This is small step can instantly reduce stress on your plants. Number 5, move your plants. One of the biggest advantage of potted plants is that you can move them. If a plant is getting too much heat, shift it to a place with partial shade like near a wall or under a tree. Even a small change in location can completely change how your plant feels. Number 6, increase humidity. In summer, the air becomes very dry and that affects your plants more than you think. To fix this, you can place a tray of water near your plants or lightly mist them. This creates a slightly humid environment which helps the plant stay fresh and reduce stress. The next is air circulation. Plants also need space and airflow. If they are too crowded, heat gets trapped between them, and that can lead to disease and faster drying. So, always keep some space between your plants so air can move freely. Hack number 8: Use bigger pots. Small pots heat up very quickly in the sun, and that heat goes straight to the roots. But bigger pots hold more soil, which means they stay cooler and retain moisture longer. So, if possible, switch to slightly large pots during the summer. Number 9 is avoid fertilizer in extreme heat. This is a very common mistake when plants are already stressed from heat. Adding fertilizer can actually make things worse. It puts extra pressure on the roots, so during extreme heat, it's better to pause fertilizing and let your plants focus on survival. Number 10. Remove dead leaves. Dead or damaged leaves don't help your plants. They actually drain its energy. So gently remove them. This allows the plant to focus its energy on healthy growth instead of trying to support dying parts. Number 11. Use terracotta pots. Terracotta pots are great for summer because they are breathable. They allow air and moisture to pass through, and which helps keep the roots cooler, unlike plastic pots that trap heat. The number one hack is use light colored pots. Dark colored pots absorb heat from the sun while light colored pots reflect it. So switching to lighter shades can help reduce the temperature around your plants. The number 13 is lift pots off the ground. Surface like concrete store a lot of heat during the day. If your pot is sitting directly on the ground, that heat transfer into the soil. So try to elevate your pots slightly using a stand or bricks. The next is self-watering setup. If you are not always available to water your plants, a simple self-watering setup can really help. It keeps the moisture level consistent, which is exactly what plants need in summer. Number 15 is group plants together. When you place plants close to each other, they create a small micro environment. This increases humidity and reduce water loss. So grouping plants can actually help them support each other. The next is avoiding reporting in peak heat. Reporting is stressful for plants, and in summer that stress becomes even stronger. So unless it's absolutely necessary, avoid reporting during extreme heat. Number 17 is protect from hot winds. Hot winds can dry out your plants even faster than sunlight. If your area gets strong hot winds, try placing your plants near a wall or a barrier, and this reduce direct exposure and protect them. Number 18 is check soil before watering. Don't just water on a fixed schedule. Always check the soil first, and if it's still moist, adding more water and can lead to root problems. So let the plant tell you what it needs. Number 19 is choose heat tolerant plants. Not all plants are made for extreme heat. So if you live in a hot climate, it's better to choose plants that naturally tolerate high temperature. This makes plant care much easier. The last one is night care routine. Night time is when plants recover. So light watering, gentle care, and a calm environment at night helps them reset after a long hot day. Think of it as giving your plant a chance to rest and heal. So these were my 20 summer hacks to protect your plants from extreme heat. Remember, plants are living things and they do not just need water, they need the right care at the right time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comments your favorite tip, and subscribe for more plant care videos. And I will see you in the next one. Stay green and stay calm.